What you are looking at is a letter that I received from Michael Connell, Jefferson County Attorney's Office in Louisville, Kentucky. I reported to them, and they also received the videos and the audios, which they admit to in this letter, stating that the Louisville Metro Police have been to my house numerous times trying to frame me. One of the times they came to my house, they stated that I sent an email to Tim Melton at Louisville Gas and Electric Company, stating I was going to kill him and I had a gun. They had my name signed to this email. I did not send this email. What was suspicious about this email is they came up with this email about 3 or 4 days after I told Tim Melton on the telephone that I was going to report him to his corporate office because he was sending people to my home with no ID. And also he told me I could not use cameras on my property. And he told me that he was not going to give me the names of the people that were coming to my home with no ID. As I stated, 3 or 4 days later, the police came with this fabricated forged document stating I was going to kill Tim Melton. And I could have gone to jail for that. They were standing on my porch telling me to come out of my house. And that video is posted on YouTube and on my website, www.justiceforallcitizens.com. Another fabricated email that appeared was regarding Malone staffing, Tori Malone and her dad. Tori Malone and her dad stated to the police that I sent an email to them that was never ever produced. That was awfully strange also, because the same day that email was talked about was the very same day that I went downtown to put them on the docket to appeal a case regarding them. The same night of that day, the police came and said there was an email that I sent to Malone Staffing, which they never produced to this day, and this is January 2020. So I have asked the Jefferson County Attorney's Office to investigate these things because I was able to thwart them. Now, I could have gone to jail if I had not fought as hard as I did. Well, the letter that I received from the Jefferson County Attorney's Office, and I'll scroll down a little bit, the letter that I received is saying that they're not going to investigate. And I'm just letting you see a little bit of that letter. They're trying to say that there is not evidence to investigate Malone Staffing and LG&E, but that makes no sense because the Louisville Metro Police came to my home stating that I sent these emails, stating that Malone Staffing and LG&E stated I sent these emails, so they would be the suspects, and now I should be able to file against them and have them investigated. But the Jefferson County Attorney's Office, which Michael Connell was in charge of, will not investigate. That's signed by Ingrid Geiser. And again, you can find those emails on my website, www.justiceforallcitizens.com, or the email, because they never produced. And you can see videos of the police running back and forth to my home trying to frame me regarding these emails, which I stated one was never produced and the other one I did not send. I really thank the Louisville Metro Police and LG&E and Malone Staffing fabricated the email themselves. And what's also strange about this, let me scroll back up to the top. Michael Connell's office, when I went to court regarding the Sean Delahanty's court, which is posted online, a fabricated forged document showed up in that case, in the original case. And that fabricated forged document, Michael Connell's office, the prosecutor, stated that it was faxed to them from my neighbors. All my neighbors have a copy. They didn't send it. It had the Jefferson County Attorney's fax number on it, meaning they faxed it to themselves. So apparently there's a whole circle of corruption that involves some of the people in the Jefferson County Attorney's Office. As I stated, the first fabricated forged document appeared in court and was faxed from the Jefferson County Attorney's Office to the Jefferson County Attorney, and they tried to say it was from my neighbors. This corruption in this town is huge. If anybody knows if anyone can assist me, please let me know. My name is Connie Marshall. I fear for my life.